Today I am going to be unboxing a gift that was gifted to me on Navaratri. It is the new Fevicryl Fine Art Artist Acrylic Colors. I really like the packaging when you look at it. I like that they have shown how the colors tube colors will look inside the packaging. This is my first time handling this medium, so I would like to know a little more. So I am going to be reading the description now. So I like to know a little more for that. These are the new Fevicryl Fine Art Artist Acrylic Colors from Fevicryl. Are high viscosity, water-based artist colors. The colors are perfect for painting on canvases. I like canvas painting. I've done a few, so I'm happy about that. These new Gen acrylic colors have a high pigment concentration, which brings your painting to life. So now let's get into the box, the main part. Okay, so once you open it, I immediately go to the Fine Art flat brushes. I have used them before and I really like them. I am going to be using them today. The colors. I like how eye-catching the colors look, and moreover I like how they have packaged it in a very cute container. Swatching lemon yellow. Wow, it looks very bright and lemony. Wow, lemon yellow is so bright. I love it. It has such a smooth and buttery texture, just like the box said. Now these are the swatches of the paints. Paints are very vibrant and colorful, exactly like it said. Now I'm going to be doing a canvas painting and seeing how it turns out. I have finished the painting now. I love the colors. I love the way they turned out. Overall, these are really awesome colors.